let's walk through your new DashTrack Business Account. You're going to start by going to a browser and typing in webmail dot and then whatever your domain name is. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to use opensite.ai, but if your domain is driftwoodsaz.com, then it'd be webmail.driftwoodsaz.com, and whatever your domain is, it's going to be webmail and then that domain, and navigate to that and you'll see that domain populated right here. And then your username is going to be your new email address. So in this case, I'm using Jordan at OpenSite AI. And then for the password, your password should have been sent to you and you can reset it to whatever you want it to be. So I'm going to just paste in mine and then hit next. And then this is going to open up your full business suite dashboard. So by default, it's going to show you your email dashboard right away where you can compose, send messages. You'll see all of your incoming messages here along with all of your folders and all of those kinds of email related tools. And then here at the top, you can quickly access your address book, notes, your to-do items, your tasks, your calendar, go back to email, and then you can also manage all of your file sharing right here. So you can drag and drop files, PDFs, Excel files, whatever it is, you can upload them all here, have access, and share them just like any kind of file management system. And then you can search for anything related to emails or your calendar just by clicking the search icon. If you want to create a new contact and you write an email, create a new event, note, or organization or task, you can do all of that by clicking the plus sign on the top right hand side. And if you click the little boxes here, this is just a quick menu where you can pull up all of those same kinds of features and items. Now, if you click on your avatar here, you can click on account, and this is where you can define all kinds of rules, everything from your name. This is where you can reset your password. This shows you all of the clients that are logged in. So if you want to make sure that your phone and your computer are the only ones logged in, then you can come here and make sure that that is that's how it's set up. You can also log out of all of them automatically by clicking this log out button. Click on profile and you can define any profile rules. You can customize the look and feel of the system, set up groups, manage your address book rules, notes, tasks. This is essentially where you just set up all of your various settings. You can set up forwarding rules, check when and where your last logins were. If you're going on vacation or you want to have an autoresponder, click on vacation message and you can set when you want it to start, when you want it to end, and then what you want the message to be. You can define your folders and their sizes. You can clean up folders. You can perform syncs with any of your other calendars or notebooks, along with defining any other kinds of settings and rules. This is also where you can set up things like signatures and different rules and different kind of branding elements like that. And just whenever you're done, just click save. I'm going to close out of it here. And the last item we're going to go to is right here where it says, not my account, right here where it says user settings. This one's really cool. It may look kind of old and ugly, but this is actually a very powerful set of tools here. So a few of these you don't need to worry about because they're already listed here in the nicer dashboard interface. But this does provide some visibility and some tools that usually would be very difficult to find, such as you can track deliveries. So any emails that you send, if you want to see if that email actually was sent, if it was delivered to who you sent it to, you can run reports here and see all of the data and reports right there, and without having to ask anybody or anything like that. You can set up spam rules. You can manage just some of your things like your times, your forwarding, any extensions, anything like that. For the most part, all that I ever use this for really is the tracking deliveries. Pretty much all the other settings can be managed in the other dashboard. The one other thing, though, that you may find helpful is for security purposes. If you look here at the top, you can actually define a two-factor auth here. So if you want to set up two-factor authentication, you can hit enabled, save, and then you can set that up. Typically, you're not gonna have to worry about the rules down here like known IPs or anything like that, but this lets you add another level of security if that is a priority for you, along with being able to go in and access your archive manager, be able to restore messages or folders that maybe you accidentally archived. All of that is right here. So I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and will help you as you start to navigate and start to use your new DashTrack business account.